Welcome back to Episode 6, your ultimate 10-minute deep dive for global cross-border bathroom product sourcing. Based on on-site field investigations and real buyer interview data, I'll break down verified 2026 industry trends, key differences between domestic and export-grade bathroom products, China's unique global supply chain advantages, standardized factory lead times, and mandatory market certifications. I'll also cover end-to-end procurement risk strategies, hidden low-price scams, and targeted plans for all B2B buyers. Every insight comes from real on-site buyer failure cases. No empty theories, every tip is practical and ready to apply. First, 5 core trade trends reshaping the 2026 bathroom industry. Adjust your inventory strategy based on these latest shifts. Trend 1. Low-pressure adaptive intelligence becomes standard equipment. Over 70% of cities worldwide have unstable municipal water pressure. This causes conventional smart toilets to flush weakly or fail entirely. All qualified export-grade toilets now have built-in low-pressure boost systems. Trend 2. Water-saving certification becomes a strict customs clearance threshold. Global water resource regulations grow increasingly stringent each year. Uncertified fixtures face direct customs rejection in EU, US, and Australia. Trend 3. Minimalist integrated designs dominate global interior aesthetics. Integrated basins, seamless showers, and streamlined fixtures offer easy maintenance and universal design compatibility. They are replacing bulky, segmented bathroom hardware worldwide. Trend 4. Full anti-corrosion material upgrades become baseline requirements. Coastal regions face severe salt spray and year-round high humidity. All hardware and ceramics need upgraded anti-rust materials to withstand harsh overseas operating conditions. Trend 5. Full bathroom package procurement replaces scattered ordering. More B2B buyers choose matched full sets from one supplier. This unifies design, quality control, and after-sales support. Next, the most critical part for all international buyers: the undeniable differences between domestic and export-only models. Many first-time buyers make this extremely costly mistake. They look identical visually, so buyers choose cheaper domestic versions. This results in 100% customs failure and unusable inventory. I'll break down these category-specific differences clearly. Export-only smart toilets have independent low-pressure boost modules, silent washing systems, automatic deodorization, and warm air drying. These features solve common low water pressure issues worldwide. Export shower systems use imported anti-scald valve cores, pressurized outlets, and thickened corrosion-resistant bodies, adapting to global water quality and climate differences. Export hardware uses marine-grade 304 stainless steel, with dual anti-fingerprint and anti-salt spray electroplating layers. It delivers long-term corrosion resistance for coastal environments. Export ceramics adopt high-density thick glaze layers, resisting staining, yellowing, and acid degradation long-term. In contrast, domestic hardware uses generic 300 for stainless steel, only with a single basic electroplating layer. It will rust, fade, and stain within 1 year in coastal areas. Domestic cabinets only have surface-level waterproof treatment, easily swelling and deforming in damp conditions. Export cabinets use fully waterproof multi-layer solid wood panels, engineered for high-humidity global environments. The most overlooked difference is global compatibility. All export electrical fixtures support dual 110V to 20V auto switching and international standard pipe interface sizes. Domestic fixtures only support 220 volts power, which short circuits instantly on overseas grids. Remember this non-negotiable sourcing rule: never source domestic standard products for cross-border export. Identical exteriors hide vastly different internal configurations. You will bear full liability for customs losses and wasted cargo. Next, China's irreplaceable global supply chain advantages. China holds over 70% of global bathroom export volume. It leads in ceramic firing, die casting, and smart module R&D. Chinese factories cover every market segment, from basic models to high-end custom engineering packages. Fast iteration, strict cost control, and stable mass production outperforms Western and Southeast Asian competitors widely. Here are standardized tiered lead times confirmed on site. In-stock finished goods ship in 5 to 10 working days. Perfect for emergency restocks and small trial orders. Full container bulk orders need 10 to 15 working days. Lock prices and capacity 30 days ahead to avoid expo price surges. Custom engineering orders need 3 to 7 days for samples. Then 20 to 30 days mass production after sample confirmation. Annual framework partnerships get dedicated production lines, completely eliminating stockout risks. Critical reminder, bathroom goods are heavy and fragile. Expo season brings massive order surges. Always sign written delivery agreements with delay compensation clauses. I've compiled a mandatory certification checklist for global markets. Save this for your future inspections and customs clearance. EU requires CE, watermark and RoHS certifications. US mandates UPS, EPA water saving and FCC certifications. Australia and New Zealand enforce wells water efficiency grading. Middle East needs SASO compliance and salt spray test reports. Southeast Asia prioritizes waterproof and wide voltage certificates. One strict rule applies globally. Every certificate must match the exact product model. Fake or expired documents lead to detention and heavy fines. Here are 4 high-frequency procurement risks and solutions, summarized from real on-site buyer loss cases. Risk 1. Local parameter mismatch trap. Verify voltage, pipe size, and water pressure before ordering to avoid non-installable products overseas. Risk 2. Incomplete pre-shipment quality checks. Inspect ceramics for cracks, showers for leakage, hardware for plating bubbles, and circuits for faults. All electric products need full water and aging testing. Risk 3. Logistics damage vulnerabilities. Sea freight requires thick cartons, foam, and wooden frames. Never mix fragile ceramics with heavy hardware in one container. This keeps breakage rates below 15% during transit. Risk 4. Ambiguous after-sales liability. Most quotes exclude overseas installation and return fees. Contracts must clearly define warranty and defect liability. Next, the 6 most dangerous low-price cut corner scams. These hidden flaws are harder to spot than other building material traps. Scam 1. Substandard ceramic glaze thickness. Cheap ceramics use thin single-layer glaze instead of standard triple layer. They yellow and stain quickly, failing international project standards. Scam 2. Downgraded valve core components. Suppliers replace brass cores with plastic or zinc alloy alternatives, causing unstable temperature and persistent water leakage. Scam 3. Fake wide voltage compatibility. Domestic 220 volts units are falsely labeled dual voltage. They short-circuit instantly on North American 110 volts grids. Scam 4. Forged water saving certifications. Small workshops counterfeit UPS, wells, and watermark documents, resulting in customs seizure and heavy financial penalties. Scam 5. Non-compliant anti-corrosion hardware. 201 stainless steel replaces standard marine grade 300 for material, rusting severely within 3 months in coastal salt spray areas. Scam 6. Removed low-pressure boost modules. Factories delete core pressurized flushing pumps to cut costs, rendering toilets useless in low-pressure high-rise regions. Now customized strategies for buyers of all scales, aligned with our previous series framework. For cross-border e-commerce small sellers, prioritize certified in-stock standard bathroom sets. Avoid custom work to reduce inventory risk and shorten lead times. Focus on dual voltage global compatible products. For mid-sized overseas local wholesalers, partner with 2 to 3 stable professional foreign trade factories. Split orders between stock fast sellers and new trial items. Mix fee KL shipments to lower logistics costs. And lock quarterly fixed pricing to hedge fluctuations. For large hotel and apartment engineering teams, adopt one-stop full bathroom package procurement. Require full badge certifications and third-party inspection reports, plus exclusive engineering warranty agreements. Reserve 5% quality retention payment after project acceptance. For residential home renovation users, avoid overpaying for unnecessary smart functions. Match products to local water pressure, voltage, and climate. Coastal areas need salt spray resistant hardware. High floors require low pressure boost toilet systems. Always verify original certificate files, not screenshot previews. To conclude, let's compare global manufacturing capabilities. Western brands own premium design patents, but have high pricing, long lead times, and poor climate adaptability. Japanese and Korean fixtures have refined details, but lack harsh environment upgrades and cost performance. Southeast Asian factories only produce low and unstable goods. In contrast, Chinese export factories have unrivaled advantages. Full global scenario compatibility, complete certification coverage, flexible stock and custom options, stable lead times, and high value. For 2026 global bathroom sourcing, Chinese exports remain most reliable. This wraps up our Bathroom Expo deep dive, the final industry masterclass in this 7-part series. Next episode, don't miss our grand finale, Episode 7. It will be the longest and most insightful episode of the whole series. I'll deliver cross-industry comparisons across all 3 categories: Universal Expo negotiation frameworks and a full 2026 procurement roadmap. I'll also share universal supplier screening methods and expose common contractual loopholes in bulk building orders. This finale contains exclusive cross-category insights you can't find elsewhere.